Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 or a 10 cannot access router IP address, web interface as well as the router IP address. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After doing this step, in the search, firstly type a command is ipconfig and press enter, and make sure that gateway your default gateway is, make sure that gateway IP address is the same router IP address. So in my case is a 192.168.10.1 is a gateway IP address as well as router IP address. So close it. Secondly, open any browser and in this type https / 192.168.10.1 and open a router address. Now you can see that the third method is that you can open a other browser and search the IP address. So in my case is and type your gateway or router IP address. Now here is, and close it. The next method is in this go to your search and type ncpa.cpl, open it, select a network adapter which is used to connect your internet and right click, go to your properties, click on internet protocol version 4 and open it, and make sure that the obtain IP address is automatical as well as obtain DNS servers address is automatical. Click OK and click on OK button and close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can restart your modem. So press the modem reset button approximately 10 seconds and your modem restart, and after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.